Are you looking for a reliable and hassle-free dumpster rental in Eagan, Minnesota? Look no further than Done Right Dumpsters. Whether you're renovating your home, working on a construction project, or simply decluttering your space, our dumpsters make the process smooth and efficient. At Done Right Dumpsters, we pride ourselves on providing top-notch dumpster rental services for all your residential and commercial needs. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to fit any project, big or small. Plus, our transparent pricing means no hidden fees or surprises. Our team at Done Right Dumpsters is dedicated to providing exceptional service. From the moment you get in touch with us, we ensure a seamless process from delivery to pickup to keep your project on schedule. Join the many satisfied customers who trust Done Right Dumpsters for their dumpster rental needs. Have questions? Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here to help. Just give us a call at 612-403-5999, and we'll guide you through the rental process. You can also book your dumpster online at www.donerightdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Eagan MN. Done Right Dumpsters, because when it comes to dumpsters, we get it done right.